The handloom sector not only provides better employment to all, but also give us opportunity to make our own identity, to communicate all over the world. Handloom is not only a source of profession, it's an emotion of thousands of weavers. Among all those basic needs of human, clothing is an essential part of the life. Weaving is a timeless procedure. It's not easy. It takes time, knowledge, skill, and hard work of a family member.
If you are really want to celebrate National Handloom Day, then please appreciate and encourage our handloom weavers in their work and use handloom products. My handloom, my pride. We know about handloom weaving. We did it, and also we promote weaving on handloom. So this National Handloom Day, do it yourself, and we did it ourselves. We are proud to be a part of handloom weaving profession.
Dream it, do it, weaving the future of India. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel for more videos.